Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'll be showing you an amazing strategy, amazing scalping strategy on the 1 minute time frame, and I will be showing you the results as well after 150 tests. Without further ado, let's start. Alright, as you can see, I'm testing this strategy on the Euro USD pair, but you can also use this if you are trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, basically if you're trading crypto. So this strategy works both on crypto and Forex pairs. By the way, comment I subscribe so I can meet my subscribers. Alright, let's start with the strategy. Over here we have the 1 minute time frame on the Euro USD instrument. So we click on indicators and we are looking for exponential moving average set of 3 by FS script, and we also use the Williams fractals, so I click on that as well. By the way, I will briefly go over the trading strategy because in my previous video I already went over this trading strategy quite in depth. So I will keep it short, show you 1 or 2 examples, and then I will test the trading strategy. Alright, so make sure to use the default settings for the fractals indicator, set it to 2, and the default settings, and also change the color. So make this green and make this red. So the below bar is green and the above bar is red. Then make sure to use the 20, the 50 and the 100 exponential moving averages, and also just play around with the colors. I use blue, red and gray. Let me show you a nice buy example. So first we need to wait for the blue, the 20 exponential moving average, to be above the 50 and the 100 exponential moving average. So over here, from this moment, that is the case. So now we're only looking for buy opportunities at the moment. Then we need to wait for the price to simply touch the 20 exponential moving average or closes just below the 20 exponential moving average. And then we need to wait for the green buy signal over here. And that appears most of the time after 2 candles. So in this case, over here we would take a buy signal and we place our stop loss just below the 50 exponential moving average, and we are looking for a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, which is about here. So that is basically, yeah, as you can see, it turned out to be a winner after 1 hour. Yeah, after 1 hour this turned out to be a winner, so that is nice. This is a great example of a buy trade. Again, we're looking for a situation where the 20 is above the 50 and the 100. Now we're only looking for buy opportunities. We wait for the green fractals to appear. Let me go back in time and show you the scenario, how it would have turned out. And when you see the buy signal over here, we do not see it yet. And then as you can see, when this candle has formed and closed, then we see the buy signal over here, and then we take the trade. Again, let me show you. This turned out to be a winner. So that is a nice buy example. Let me show you a sell example as well. Over here we see that the blue line, the blue exponential moving average, is below the 50 and it's also below the 100 exponential moving average, which means that we're only looking for sell opportunities right now. Then we need to wait for the price to hit our blue line, the 20 exponential moving average. Let me show you if that happens, and that happens. It even crossed the 50 exponential moving average. In that case, we place our stop loss above the 100 exponential moving average if the price has crossed the 50 exponential moving average. But first, let's wait for our sell signal. Over here, we see a sell signal that appeared, and as you, like I told you, I placed a trade but I placed the stop loss just above the 100 exponential moving average, and I'm using a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. And then we wait for the, as you can see, after 5 minutes our target has been hit. So that is basically how this trading strategy works. I will pause this video and come back to you after 150 trades and show you the results. Alright, the results are in. Let me show you. We used the Euro USD pair on the 1 minute time frame, and we used a risk reward of 1.5 to 1. We are risking 1% and would like to make 1.5%. Our total trades was 150 and the winning percentage was 51%, which is nice, especially if you're using this risk reward ratio. And it took me 5 days, and we had 6 wins in a row and 6 losses in a row. The gain on the account, like I said, we risk 1%, and in total we gained 41%, which is huge, of course, especially in this time span, 5 days, which is 1 trading week. So we basically made 41% in 1 trading week. And let's say that we have 4 weeks in a month, that is about 160% in a month, which is huge, of course. And the reason why it doesn't work like that is because we didn't take into account the fees and the spreads. And that is something that you really have to take in mind, because of course this sounds really good, but you also need to pay fees. And if you're scalping, then you pay relatively more fees than if you are trading on a higher time frame. So this would probably be less, but it's still, of course, a nice trading strategy that definitely works, especially in a trending market. Like I mentioned earlier, if you can identify a trending market also on a higher time frame, then this trading strategy can really be useful, and will definitely make you money if you're looking at these numbers. To be honest, I'm not a scalper myself. I wouldn't scalp myself, but this trading strategy also has to work on a higher time frame. So if you're trading on a, let's say, 30 minutes, hourly, maybe even a 4 hour, because this is a classical pullback trading strategy, which is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to trade. This definitely has to work as well. But if you're a scalper, you can test this out on a 1 minute, on the 5 minute. But honestly, myself, I would try to use this trading strategy on a higher time frame. But if I'm looking at the results, this is amazing, really good results. So that's basically the strategy and the 150 test. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also let me know down below in the comments which trading strategy you want to see being tested as well for 150 times. I see you in the next video.